So toss all of your hair back, and on the last loop of your ponytail, instead of pulling your ends all the way through, just stop about 1/4 of the way so it looks kind of like this. So grab your ends and then swoop them to the left and up and over. And then just loop them underneath your hair elastic. Now on your last pull through, cross your elastic at the top of your ponytail and only pull your hair partially through to create a little bun. Left and a right, and tie them together by crossing your right section over your left. Now tightly twist your ends together and tuck them into your elastic underneath. So gather all of your hair into a low ponytail, and don't forget to pull out those face framing pieces. And then begin securing it with a hair elastic, and I finally got my hands on some that match my hair. But on that last loop, cross it at the top of your ponytail and just begin pulling your ends through until you create your desired bun size. Alright, so pinch and pull on some small pieces of hair around your crown for that added effortless cool girl vibe.
Inside lane, missing exits, glued to the pavement. Between the lines, I'll keep my gaze straight ahead as the last stop flies by. No more waiting for the gun to fire. No more walking through revolving doors. I've gone around once, and I don't need to go around anymore. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control. Switch it in the manual. Don't you wanna feel right? Shape the mind, speeding up the pace, turning up the heat, where I need to be for the first time. I'm taking risks, I'm casting off without a lifeline. Break away, forget your sober case. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway and cancel the cruise control. Switching in the menu.